Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize property showings with ShowingTime, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ShowingTime account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Showings tab on the main menu. Click on it to access your property listings. Select the property you want to optimize showings for. Check the current showing settings. Adjust the showing times to fit your availability. Consider enabling the instant showing option for flexibility. Set buffer times between showings to avoid overlaps. Utilize the feedback feature for gathering client insights. Customize feedback forms to fit your needs. Ensure that automated reminders are activated for your clients. Go to the notifications settings to configure alerts. Set preferences for how you want to receive updates. Integrate a calendar sync feature if possible for easier management. Review the property photos and description to ensure they are appealing. Update any outdated information that could impact the showing experience. Monitor showing activity through the analytics tool. Use this data to adjust your strategies over time. Stay proactive by communicating with your clients about showing feedback. Implement changes based on feedback to enhance future viewings. Always be ready to adapt your approach as needed for Use these strategies to streamline your showing process with ShowingTime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.